Okay, let's start the class for today. Yeah, so yesterday I want to do a quick revision. Yesterday what we have done. Okay, let's try that. Where is that? Where is that? Okay, can someone, if possible, please ping the notes in the chat to here in the Gmeet chat? ప్రశాంత్ కొంచెం చూడు ఒకసారి.
ఇస్తున్నాను ఒక సెకండ్.
Yeah.
పంపించాను చాట్ లో చూడు.
Okay, thank you. But the okay, fine. The next part రాలేదు, but fine. Okay, దొరకు వస్తుంది కదా సరిపోతుంది. Okay. See, basically, I just want to do a quick revision. There are different types of operators. Arithmetic means plus, minus, into.
ఒకసారి
వచ్చిందా? ఇదేనా? ప్రశాంత్ ఉంది. నువ్వు పెట్టింది లేదు చూద్దాం. Okay, leave it, no issue. So I just want to do quick revision. Like we have completed arithmetic operators, that is plus, minus, into, division, floor division, and modulus. That means it will give the remainder, and this double star means it will give the exponential. Correct? So you can see here a by b is normal division, which will always written in float. Okay, na? If it is a step division, it will written in integer. Okay, na? If it is a step division, it will give in integer. It's not fixed. If anyone is float again, it will give in 3.0. Otherwise, it is 3. Okay, guys? 3 or 3.0 based on A and B. Am I correct? Yes, is it okay? Next, the relational we have seen what is end and what is or. So end means if x is, suppose x and y means if x is false, the answer is false, else it is true. Am I correct, guys? Or means if x is true, answer is true, else it is y. Am I correct? See, suppose if we come to this end and or, guys, x, suppose x and y. Suppose if x value is to false, okay, my answer is x. Am I correct, guys? Okay, if x is false, the answer is x. Else y, ante kada? Now, if x or y, guys, I expect you guys to answer at least some of you should answer this. How to write this? If Deepthi, Kyati, someone, please. Guys, yesterday I have spoken, yeah, tell me.
Yeah.
Yeah, if
Sir, okay.
If x is
if x evaluates to true, then the result of x result will be x, or else it will be y.
Y, yes, the result will be x, or else it will be y. Am I correct, guys? So for this, see, I just want to touch the complex part, okay, of yesterday, okay. So let us try these two operators, and we'll just we'll do a quick revision, and we'll move on from here, okay. Okay, like print of x means, yeah, print of 10 and 20. So if x is not x, if x evaluates to false, then the result is x, else true. But here the answer should be x, right, guys? sorry, the answer is Y, right? Because the X is not false. Am I correct, guys? Guys,
Yes.
yes, see, because the X is not false, the answer goes to Y. Okay. So if you do print 0 and 200. Now my X value is true, false. So answer is X means 0. Am I correct, guys? See, now we'll go for R. Okay, na? Print, what is that? X or Y. So if X value is true, my answer is X. Else Y. Am I correct, guys? See, now, so let us make X as false. Okay, guys? If X is not true, then the answer is Y here. Okay. So the answer is 20 here at the last. Okay, guys? See? Yeah, that's it. So this is about logical operators. Am I correct, guys? So logical operators we have done. And relational means less than or equal to, greater than equal to. Am I correct, guys? Logical means we have seen and or. Okay. Basically, and it will work if two conditions are true, then only the total condition is true. Okay. Or means if one condition is true, if it will be true. Am I correct, guys? So we'll see these things, logical and relational, everything will come combination of these things in if else. Once the if else topic comes, we'll speak about them. Okay. So now currently we are at bitwise operators, guys. Okay. So bitwise means these are the four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yesterday I have told you, right, how to convert them, right? 4 and 5, 4 or 5. Okay. Uh, okay. Let us have a, yeah. So you can 4 and 5. Someone ping the chat if possible. Okay. Okay, let's try that. Yeah, I think you will be. I think you will be knowing, right? Like yesterday, what I have to discuss it, like 4 and 5. Like 4 we convert to binary and 5 will convert to binary. We'll do bitwise operators. Okay, right? Yeah. So just I'll just do revise for one. 4 means it's how much? 0, 1, 00, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square. 5 means 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. So now the R operator or AND will try for both. Okay. AND means 0, 1, 0, 0. The AND operator is 4 and 5. It is how much? Guys, 4, right? If we go for R operator, 1, 0, 1. 4 or 5. Am I correct, guys? 4 or 5. Okay. So the answer is 5. Okay. Suppose 4 XOR 5. XOR means if both are different, then only answer is one, else 0. Okay. So same 0. Again, 1, 1, same 0. 0, 0, same 0. 0, 1, same 1. Okay. The answer is what is 4 XOR 5? Guys, what is the answer here? 1. Okay. So this is about these three operators. Okay. Now, if you come across this one, what is this? The negation. I just told don't apply one's complement, two's complement. Okay. Just minus of x plus 1. Okay. Minus of 5 plus 1. It is minus 6. Am I correct, guys? See? Minus of 7. Minus of 7 plus 1. 8. Okay. Yeah. So you can apply that logic and you can get the answer here. Okay. Now we'll see bitwise, sorry, left shift and right shift operator. Okay, bitwise left shift and bitwise right shift operator. Okay, guys. Guys, please respond. Are you understanding, guys? Guys, anyone of you have idea what is bitwise that left shift operator or bitwise right shift operator? Guys, yes or no?
Yes.
You know, so can you tell me, Prashant, like what is bitwise the left shift and what is bitwise right? Suppose I want to move 6 left shift by 2. So what we need to see? The name itself. See, 6 left shift by 2 bits. See, what is the binary representation of 6? What is the binary representation of 6, guys? It is 0, 0 and 0, 1, 1, 0. Am I correct?
Zero.
Huh? Ante kada?
Yeah.
So now if you want to left shift, okay, suppose let me use paint here, it will be more, uh, you can easily understand if you use the paint, okay. Now what we'll do here? I was bad at drawing actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So what is the binary representation of this thing? 0, guys, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 1, 1, 1, and 0, right, guys? Okay, guys. Now, if you want to do left shift, okay, so then remove left side bits 2 bits. Okay, suppose 6 left shift by 2, right? So remove 2 bits. Cross, guys. Cross. Okay. Now you shift these all remaining how many bits, guys? 6 bits, right? You shift 6 bits to left now. Okay, and fill those 2 gaps in the right by zeros. Okay, guys. So let me write again. So this 0 comes here. Am I correct, guys? 0. See, this 0 is coming here. Okay, guys. 0. Again. This 0 coming here. Like this. Okay, this follows. Okay. 0. Again. 0. Am I correct, guys? 1, 1, and 0. How many digits? How many binary digits we gave? 6, right? Now fill right side 2 with 0 and 0. Guys, okay, guys? Guys, is this fine? How I got these digits? Guys,
Yes.
क्या थी दीदी प्रशांत अर्थమైందా? Okay, now you convert this thing to binary, right? So if you what is the binary value of this, guys? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. 2 cube plus 2 power 4. How much? 2 cube plus uh, what is that? 2 cube plus
2 power 4.
4. How much, guys? 25, huh?
8 plus 6.
24.
24.
Let us try that. Okay, let us try like whether the same answer is coming or not. Okay, guys. So this I'm removing. Okay.
Exactly.
Follow the reaction. The shift ni 6 ni left కి 2 shift చేస్తే 12 అవుతుంది.
అర్థం కాలేదు. Let us try. Wait. 24 కదా ప్రశాంత్. ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది నాకు అర్థం నువ్వేదో అంటున్నావు? యువర్ టెలింగ్ సంథింగ్ ప్రశాంత్. ఇందులో అర్థం కాకపోతే అర్థమైంది ప్రశాంత్ ఇది చెప్పింది.
ఓకే ఓకే. టూ టైమ్స్ అర్థం.
See, don't remember, mathematically, like, there are some shortcuts, but I don't encourage because it will be most confusing. Okay, right? See, just remove 2 numbers. You cut it 2 numbers and shift all 6 digits to left and fill. Okay, and fill right side 2 digits with zeros. That's it. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay, na? Adi vishayam. Okay. Okay. I know. Okay, now we'll try right shift. Okay, guys. 6 right shift 2. Guys, can you guess the process based on the things what we have done so far? Again, 4 zeros, 0, 1, 0. Am I correct, guys? Now we'll cut the right side bits. Okay, correct? Because we are doing right shift. Am I correct, guys? See now what I've cut these, I've cut these two. Am I correct, guys? Okay. Now I will shift this remaining 6 digits to right and fill zeros. Am I correct? So I'll fill 0, 0. Okay. Now write as it is. Okay. 4 zeros. Am I correct, guys? 4 0 5 0 1. Okay, na? Antana? So what is the value of this? 1, right, guys? So let us try that. Okay. 6 print 6 right shift by 2. See, guys, is it okay? So in this
Yeah,
way,
sir.
yeah, guys, Deepthi and Kyati, yeah, are you comfortable, guys? Okay, thank you. So see, I don't encourage by doing the mathematical operations. Some people will, directly use, if it is left shift, use 2 power. If it left shift by 2, they will multiply with 2 power 2. Or left shift by 3, they'll multiply with 2 cube. But that is fine, but you might forget that. Okay, guys. If it is right shift, they will divide it. Okay, that's the same thing, but I don't encourage that basically. Okay. So we have done with the bitwise operators. Okay. Na? So bitwise operators is done. Am I correct, guys? Now we'll go with assignment operators. Okay, guys. Okay. Guys, any match update, guys, today? I think LSG is batting. Am I correct, guys? Any RCB fans here? Just a minute. Oh, just started. Wow. Okay. Hope RCB win today. 181 target. Okay, 182.
It's a dream.
Ah?
It's a dream come true.
Wow. Chalu. Okay. Now, yeah, we start with assignment operators. Okay, guys? Yeah. So basically, assignment means if you want to assign some values. Okay, guys, suppose if x equal to 20, what is the meaning here, guys? So that means you are storing the 20 for x. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is the assignment operator. So here the equality is nothing but assignment operator. Okay, guys. Okay. Guys, now my question is, what is x equal to x plus 10 here? How it will work, guys? Any idea, guys? Don't say x and like math. Suppose who are coming from a non-programming background. Okay, even in my BTech first year, I was people, in my CSE class. I'm from EC, but in my computers class, programming class, my professor used to write x equal to x plus 10. I was like wondering, in enter till now we just used to cut right, like we'll cut across x. Now something like that we'll do, in my maths plus 2 or plus 1. But it is quite confusing at that time, and this is very bad way back. But yeah, so I was just I want to share my experience. So don't think like that. Okay, so the guys who are not coming from programming background, See here, what will happen is first right side will execute. Okay. So the right side, what is the answer, guys? 30. Am I correct? Once the right side is executed, then it will assign to x. Okay. It's not like x and x. Don't cut x and x. Okay, guys. Guys, say yes or no. Is it okay? Now the x value is 30. Guys, is it okay?
Okay.
See, this is specific for the guys who are not coming from CSC or non-programming background. They're coming from non-programming background. Okay. Don't think x equal to x plus 10 means don't cut it. Don't think like that. Okay. How we used to think like, like till plus 1 or plus 2. It's not the case here. It will first x plus 10 will be executed. The right side part will be executed and it will assign to the x. Okay, guys. Okay. Suppose now x is 30. Now suppose x equal to x plus 100. What is the final value of x now? Guys, you should tell this.
130.
130, yeah, 130. Because till here x is 30. Now again 30, x is 30 plus 100. 130. Okay, guys? See, why I'm telling in this assignment operator, this is important. Okay. The same line 71 can be written as x plus equal to 100. Don't think it is something, rocket science or, it's something difficult like that. Okay. X plus equal to 100 means x equal to x plus 100 annattu. Guys, this is the shorthand of notation. Okay, x plus equal to 100 ante. Okay, means x equal to x plus 100. Okay. Okay, guys. Now suppose if x equal to x into 10, what is the shorthand operator of x equal to x into 10? Can someone please tell me?
X into equal to 10.
Ante, x into equal to 10. Okay, guys. Guys, is it okay? Okay, now if Kathy, can you please tell me x equal to x by 10? What is the shorthand notation for this line? Kathy, I'm asking you.
X divided by equals to.
Exactly, correct, super. That's fine. Now, who will? Yeah, that's it, right? That's the thing, guys. Okay, suppose if x equal to x mod 10, you should write like x modulus x modulus equal to 10. Okay, guys, like that. Okay, chalo. So this you can write shorthand operator for any, any operation. Okay, guys. Okay. Now you go for ternary operators. What is that? Ternary operator. Guys, any idea about what is ternary operator? See, let us try this. That x. Guys, what is the value of x here, guys?
Thirty.
Huh? What here?
30.
అరే x ఇంటూ అది చూడు ఒకసారి
Into, okay.
200.
200. అందుకే సుష్మిత తినకూడదు క్లాస్ తింటే ఎలా ఉంటది ఓకే నౌ టెర్నరీ ఆపరేటర్ గైస్ దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ గైస్ ఓకేనా సో దిస్ ఆల్సో కమ్స్ అండర్ అసైన్మెంట్ ఆపరేటర్ ఓకే గైస్ యా నౌ టెల్ మీ guys, if you want to assign, if you want to write like this, suppose see, instead of writing a equal to 20, I think you might be aware of this. If not, try to understand from here. See, you can write directly in a single line, okay? So you can assign both A and B in a single line, okay, guys? This is only applicable for only Python. Don't apply in a Java or somewhere, okay? Okay, okay. Now, what is ternary operator? Okay. Ternary means, suppose if A less than B, condition is true. See, if condition is, suppose here, see, there will be condition, see, the left side there will be some value and right side there will be some value. Okay, if condition is true, the left value will be considered. The condition is false, else, you know, 40. So this is which will follow. Okay. See, let me see now. I'll just assign this total line to a single variable. Okay, y equal to. Okay, guys. Now see, guys. Here my suppose let us execute here only. Okay. So this is style of this is Python style of writing ternary operator. Okay. So here what I will do. Control Z. Okay. Now A is 10 and B equal to 20. Am I correct, guys? Okay. So now x equal to 30, x equal to 30 if my A less than B, guys, else 20. Guys, can you understand? See, this is the condition for ternary operator. See, this is the condition. If condition works, left side value will be assigned to x. If it is failed, the else block value will be assigned. Is it okay, guys? Yes, అర్థమైందా ఈ లైన్? Guys, did you get it? That line? See, because my 10 A is less than B. Am I correct, guys? It is true. That's why my x is assigned with 30. If A is, let us make A equal to 100. Now the answer is, guys, what is the answer? 20. అంతే. దీనికి అర్థమైందా ఇది?
Yes, sir.
Kathy?
అర్థమైంది.
Okay.
సో ఇది బేసికల్లీ ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ ఫంక్షన్ కదా?
యా, ఇది బేసికల్లీ ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్, కానీ కొంతమంది టెర్నరీ ఆపరేటర్ వర్డ్ రాయాలంటే ఇట్లా రాసుకోవచ్చు దీన్ని. ఓకేనా? అంటే దీన్ని ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ వర్డ్ కూడా రాయొచ్చు. ఓకే, బట్ ఇది ఒక స్టైల్ ఆఫ్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ అంతే. అంటే మీకు అన్ని తెలిసి ఉండాలి. అంటే యూ షుడ్ అవేర్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ సంథింగ్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, సంథింగ్ ఇస్ నాట్. అట్లా కాదు. ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ మీన్స్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ యూ షుడ్ లెర్న్ ఇన్ డీటెయిల్. ఓకే, ఓకే, fine. Guys, now, guys, so far we have assigned, right, directly. Am I correct, guys? We have assigned. We haven't read the value from the keyboard. Am I correct, guys? Okay, let me give you small analogy. Suppose if you are going to ATM, right, you are entering PIN, correct? Then if the PIN is correct, you will enter how much money to withdraw. And you should enter it is savings account or current. Am I correct? And everything you should enter, right? So what they are doing there, the end user is trying to the end user is entering the values into the software. Am I correct, guys? It is not. So suppose if you write ATM, suppose PIN equal to something, right? PIN equal to some 234, right? And money equal to money withdraw equal to some 10,000 or 1 lakh something. Okay, so you cannot fix like you cannot you cannot hard code these values, because every user, suppose my PIN is different from yours, and the money with money I want to withdraw is different from yours, right? So the end user should enter his values. Okay, in the same way, now we'll make sure that we'll make a provision that how the end user will connect by entering their values. Okay, guys, is it okay, guys? What I was trying to say here. So I'm saying instead of hard coding, you should enter from the keyboard, like how the ATM guys how the guys at ATM will enter their values. Am I correct, guys? Okay, na? So yeah, this is C language గాని జావా గాని ఐడియా ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి స్కానర్ అంటాం దాన్ని. అక్కడ C language లో స్కానర్, జావాలో స్కానర్, పైథాన్ లో ఇంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్పుట్ అని రాస్తాం. See this everything I'll teach in next chapter, but I just want to give some overview of this. Okay, int of input. So please try to remember this line. But this is input function. Okay, this is input function. I will teach in the next chapter. Okay, guys. Okay, please enter the value of a. సుష్మిత అర్థమైంది అది?
Yeah.
Okay. See, this is optional, guys. Please enter your writing. This line is optional. Okay, na? Suppose if you don't do int of, okay, by default it will be taken as a string. Okay, that will be string only. Okay, na? Okay, let us see. Okay. Yeah. Okay, print of a plus b. Okay. See, suppose this is like, suppose you have developed a app, okay, which will add two numbers. Okay, so each user, suppose if I use that app, if I download that app and if I use that app, my A and B is different and your A and B is different, right? So you should make a provision that user can happily enter his values. Okay, right, guys? So this is the something, you can relate something to that. Okay, see, it is asking, see, my A value is 100, correct? My B value is 200. Am I correct? What is that? 300. Is it okay, guys? Yes, is it okay?
Okay.
Okay. Guys, now my question is the first program. Read two numbers.
మన ఇంటికి పోతే అది స్ట్రింగ్ తీసుకుంటది. ఇన్ కేస్ నేను క్యార్ డేటా టైప్ ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటే అప్పుడు ఏమైనా మెన్షన్ చేయాలా?
I told char అక్కడ ఏమీ లేదు మనకి. పైథాన్ లో char అనే డేటా టైప్ లేదు. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this will remove this. See, actually this will come in next chapter. ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నానంటే there are some programs which which I was intent to tell now. Okay, let it be. But print type of
Yeah,
a.
got it.
See, this is typecasting కదా same. See, what is the type? We should print string, right, class? See, guys, okay now, Sushmita.
Yeah.
If you do int, it will be int there now. Okay, na? And by default, which value keyboard is which pati value, it will be string. Okay, guys. Guys, is it okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Have a doubt? Suppose if you write float, that number will be float. Okay, na? Please try to remember the values which you are entering from the keyboard. It is by default string. Hey, I haven't stopped recording. 1 minute. Hey, I haven't. ఇప్పుడు షేర్ అయింది కదా ఐ స్టాప్ అనుకుంటా. స్టాప్ షేరింగ్ నొక్కినట్టు ఉందని ఇక్కడ.
లేదు, స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్
ఓకే. ఓకేనా గైస్? ఓకే, ఇలా పడిపోయినట్టుంది ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, ఫైన్, రైట్. Okay, now our first program is first read two numbers from keyboard and print maximum number. Guys, by using ternary operator, can anyone tell me? Max equal to చెప్పండి. Guys, you should tell, guys. See, what is there? A, if సూపర్, ఎల్స్ బి, అంతే కదా, అయిపోయింది కదా, ఇంట్లో ఏముంది guys? ప్రింట్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాక్స్ అంతే కదా.
Can we nest multiple if else's?
Yeah, we'll try that also. Okay, see, the answer is 500. Okay, guys. Now we'll try the same program for what is that term? ABC, 3 numbers. Okay. Now this is the question here. See, guys, you're slowly building, building the programs. Okay. Read 3 numbers from the keyboard. Print maximum of 3. Am I correct, guys? Guys, what is your idea here? Guys, my rough idea is if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, my A is bigger. Am I correct, guys? Okay. Else లోకి వెళ్ళామంటే డెఫినెట్లీ ఏ పెద్దది కాదన్నట్టే కదా. అప్పుడు ఆబ్వియస్లీ
B greater than C.
else B, yeah, B is greater than C అనుకో. B greater than C అయితే B పెద్దది. ఒకవేళ ఇది కూడా ఫెయిల్ అయింది అనుకో, C పెద్దది. Am I correct, guys? అంతేనా?
Yes.
Guys, అర్థమైందా? ఖ్యాతి, దీప్తి, the guys who are coming from non-programming background, especially. See, for this line, you can say if this line is true, guys, you can happily say A is bigger. If this line is false, obviously A is not bigger. So you need to compare B with C. If B is greater than C, then obviously B is bigger because A is not anyway bigger. Am I correct, guys? If nothing works out, then C is bigger. Am I correct? Let us try to keep that. See, it will be a bit confusing. Just we'll try the same thing with here first. If A greater than B, okay, print A big. A is big. Guys, this is using if else. Okay, na? Else. See, guys, I'm just using colon and hitting enter. Print B is big. Am I correct? Okay, guys. ఓకేనా గైస్? ఏ ఇస్ బిగ్. ఓకేనా? దీన్ని మనం టెర్నరీ ఆపరేటర్ కూడా ఎట్లా రాసామంటే ఇఫ్ ఏ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ బి అంటే కండిషన్ మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది టెర్నరీలో. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ట్రూ అయితే లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న వేరియబుల్ అదే వాల్యూ విల్ బి అసైడ్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఫాల్స్ అయితే రైట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న వాల్యూ విల్ బి అసైడ్. ఓకే గైస్? నౌ విల్ ట్రై టు ఫైండ్ ద మాక్సిమం ఆఫ్ 3 numbers, guys. ఓకే గైస్? చెప్తారా గైస్? ఎనీవన్? సుష్మిత, ప్రశాంత్, దీప్తి, ఖ్యాతి, ఎనీవన్? చెప్పండి. Now we'll read C also. 1 minute. We'll read C also. C equal to int of input of please enter the value of C.
If A is greater than B.
First we'll try to keep in if else. Okay, now normal graph. Okay.
Yeah.
If A greater than B, next.
And A greater than C.
Okay.
Print A is bigger.
Correct. A is bigger.
Else it.
Okay. Else if కాదు. Elif. Okay na?
Elif. ELIF.
Yeah. Elif B greater than C.
B greater than C. Print B.
Guys, don't worry. If Elif ఇవన్నీ నేను చెప్తాను. But first, guys who are already aware of this thing, that's why I'm telling. Okay. Print B is bigger. Am I correct, guys?
Else C is bigger.
Yes. Else print. Guys, ఇది అర్థమైందా? ఇది దిస్ if else if ladder అంటారు దీన్ని. Guys, ఏమైనా అర్థమైందా? Because I haven't started if else. Officially I haven't started. But guys, is it fine? Deepthi and Khyati, can you please tell me, guys? Khyati, నీకు
అర్థమవుతుంది. అర్థమవుతుంది.
యా థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే మనం ఇక్కడ అంటే మనకి ఇంకా అఫీషియల్ వి హ్యావెంట్ ఎంటర్డ్, బట్ ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇఫ్ ఒక కండిషన్ కానీ ట్రూ అయిందనుకో దెన్ వి జస్ట్ కమ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఫెయిల్స్ దెన్ ఇట్ విల్ గో టు డౌన్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ట్రూ అగైన్ విల్ జస్ట్ కమ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఆల్సో ఫెయిల్డ్ దెన్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ మై ఎల్స్ విల్ ఎగ్జిట్. ఓకే గైస్, అదనమాట. సో ఇక్కడ ఆబ్వియస్లీ మన లైన్ 8 లో 8 is failing means my A is not bigger, then obviously should go for B and C. ఇది కండిషన్ ట్రూ అయితే B is bigger, ఇది ఫెయిల్ అయితే C is bigger. Am I correct guys? Suppose value of A 10, okay, B 30, okay, C 20. So which is bigger? My B is bigger, right guys? Right, see, B is bigger. Okay na? ఇప్పుడు the same thing I want to keep in ternary operator guys. చెప్తారా? Who will tell? ఇందాక అడిగాక ప్రశాంత్ మనం మల్టిపుల్ పెట్టొచ్చని. యా, నౌ వీ కెన్ ట్రై దట్. ఓకే, సుష్మిత చెప్పు ఇప్పుడు.
max equal to
సూపర్. మ్యాక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు
A if okay A greater than B and B A greater than C.
ఒకవేళ అయితే ఈ రెండు అయితే ఏ బిగ్గర్, కాకపోతే ఏం చేస్తావు? కాకపోతే వాట్ విల్ డూ టెల్ మీ?
B greater than C I will check.
ఎల్స్ లోకి వెళ్తావా? ఎల్స్ బి ఎప్పుడవుతుంది? బి ఎప్పుడవుతుంది?
If B greater than C.
అంతే, ఇఫ్ బి గ్రేటర్ దెన్ సి. కరెక్ట్. ఒకవేళ ఈ బి గ్రేటర్ సి అయితే బి, ఒకవేళ అది కాకపోతే ఏంటి? ఎల్స్ సి, అంతే కదా?
Else C.
ప్రశాంత్ గైస్ ఇది ఫైన్ గైస్, ఈ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ కొంచెం తేడా ఉంటుంది, బట్ సి ఫస్ట్ వాట్ ఐమ్ చెకింగ్, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ట్రూ, ఇఫ్ మై ఏ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్, రైట్. ఒకవేళ ఫెయిల్ అయితే ఎల్స్ లోకి వెళ్తాం, కరెక్ట్. ఎల్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళాక ఇఫ్ బి ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్ దెన్ బి గ్రేటర్ దెన్ సి, ఇది కూడా ఫెయిల్ అయితే ఎల్స్ సి. గైస్ ఇది ఫైన్. దీప్తి అండ్ ఖ్యాతి అర్థమైందా?
A greater than B కి and A greater than C కి can you use brackets?
Officially Python, no, it's not required. See, మనం ఎక్కడ కూడా మనం ఎక్కడ బ్రాకెట్స్ వాడడం కదా, వాడలేదు కదా, రైట్. సిమిలర్ వే అంతే. ఓకే, what is the value? Please tell some values. 10, 40 and 200. C is bigger. Okay guys. Yeah, it is working. Yeah, see, we can use this. If you guys are confused, just apply brackets over this. Okay na? Oh sorry, I haven't printed the max, right? See, 88 is bigger. Okay, guys. So Shita, you can keep braces also over here. Okay, if you have, but it's not required, right? It's a need to kada. But again,
yeah, but ante kontamandi
confuse outar. Yeah, beginners, right? Yeah, that's correct. But you can keep this. Okay, guys. Prashant, అర్థమైందా? Okay. Okay, now guys, now there are special operators. What is that? See the special operators. What are special operators, by the way? Special lo manaki 2 types of special operators ఉంటాయి. What is that?
Can you copy that terminal operation?
Yeah, sure. Okay, special operators రెండు ఉంటాయి. Python defines defines the following two special operators. What are they, guys? See, identity operator and membership operator. By the way, I told what is identity operation. Is అనేది ID of A, ID of A, ID of B, something like that. Okay, and membership operator in. Okay, the next class we'll try to complete this, and the chapter will be complete. Okay. Okay, guys. See, these two will complete in the next class. Okay, guys. Stop sharing now.